Okay, so we're back with our question and our graph. What we need to graph is we need to graph our constraints, and we need to look for some corner points, and then plug in the corner points to our profit formula and see what the maximum profit would be. How many chairs do we need to make and how many tables do we need to make? What would our maximum profit be? So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and graph these three ideas. The first idea that we'll graph is a line, and we need to reduce it. So we have a 200 greater than or equal to 4x plus 2y. If we divide every term by 2, we can make that smaller. It'll turn into 100 greater than or equal to 2x plus y. With this idea, we can graph it. We'll make our t-table of our x's and our y's. We'll find out what happens when x is 0 and find out what happens when y is 0. When x is 0 in this formula, we get y equals 100. So one of our points is 0, 100. When we put 0 in for y, we get x equals 50. So we have 1 point at 0, 100, and 1 point at 50, 0. So let's plot the 0, 100, and let's plot the 50, 0. Draw a line, and that will be our assembly line. Next thing is we need to take into account for y is greater than or equal to 20. Here's 20, so it has to be above that line. And y is less than or equal to 80 and below that line. So right now we're looking at corner points that exist right here. So our shaded region would be here. So let's list the corner points. The first corner point is 0, 20. Our next corner point is 40, 20. Our next corner point is 10, 80. And our final corner point is 0, 80. With those being our corner points, we have to put them into the profit formula and see which one generates the maximum profit. So our profit formula is P equals 70x plus 40y. So if we put in the 0 for x and the 20 for y, this will turn out to be 800. So the point 0, 20 with, remember our tables are x and our chairs are y. So with 0 tables and 20 chairs, you're only going to make a profit of $800. If we have 40 tables and 20 chairs, let's see what we would make. So 40 goes in for x, 20 goes in for y, and that would be 2800, and that would be 800. So that would be 3600, 3,600, a lot more than that. Let's try the 10 and 80. So 10 tables and 80 chairs. Put a 10 in, and an 80. That would be 700, and that would be 3200, 789, 3900. So the 1080 produces 3,900 profit, and the 080 would be 70 times 0 plus 40 times 80 is 3,200. So the maximum profit is definitely 10 tables and 80 chairs. So Sam should produce 10 tables and 80 chairs to make a maximum profit of 3,900. And we're done. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.